Oh my God. So that is a nice medicine for cough. Oh my God.
That is a herbal medicine.
A herbal medicine.
Yeah.
Herbal medicine.
Yeah,
oh,
herbal.
that is so nice. It's smelling good. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it's
You
smelling
see?
good.
Smelling good. Kuya, what's the name?
Oregano.
Oregano.
Oh.
The leaf, is it medicine?
Medicinal plant.
Medicinal plant?
Ah.
Oh my God. Medicine for what?
For cough.
For cough?
Yeah.
So if I use this thing now for cough now, it will clear?
Yeah.
Really? So how can I use this?
10 pieces of this.
So
leaves.
so I boil 10 pieces of these leaves. This
Then,
this oregano leaf.
Oregano. After boiling 5 minutes,
Okay.
squeeze.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I squeeze and put in the spoon. In the
Squeeze like that.
tablespoon.
Then put add it a lemon
Okay.
juice.
So it cure
Cure a
cough.
cough.
Like how many times will I drink this before the cough will cure?
Once in the morning, afternoon, and then before you sleep.
Okay, that's 3 times in a day.
10?
3 times?
3 times a day.
Okay. With the tablespoon.
With tablespoon.
Okay, salamat. Thank you so much. So that is a nice medicine for cough.
medicine for cough.
Oh my God.
That is a herbal medicine.
A herbal medicine.
Yeah.
Herbal medicine.
Yeah,
oh,
herbal.
that is so nice. It's smelling good. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it's
You see?
smelling good.